Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at iOS 17.4 Beta 4 on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. And it's been a little while since I've done an iOS video, but the deeper we get into iOS 17, the less and less, new features and visible changes we get. And it's mostly just bug fixes and stuff like that, and there's not much new to show you guys. But this is the first kind of major change in a few builds here. Pertaining to the iPhone 15s specifically, and that is to the battery section. We now have a new battery health section, and they moved a few things around. So right down here we have the charging optimization on this screen right here, where you have your clean energy charging toggle if that is available in your area. It's not available in all areas, so if you don't see that, that's why. And then we have your charging optimization up here with the optimized charging, the 80% limit, or none. So that's where you find the settings for that. And then we now have a specific section for battery health, and it shows normal. So right there, right off the bat, you just see whether your battery is normal. I don't know what the other possible wording is for it, but it'll show whether it's normal, whether it needs service or replacement, or whatever based on your battery health. If you pop into this, now you see the battery health section right up there where it shows that it is normal, and it gives you an about link to that where you can go to the Apple website and see more about the battery in the iPhone. It shows your maximum capacity percentage, it shows your cycle count, and it shows your manufacturer and first use date. So this stuff right here used to be in the about section of the phone all the way at the bottom. That is now not there. It is now all in the battery health section, which is very nice. You can see all your battery health all in one place. You don't have to go to two separate sections, which I think is what they should have done from the beginning. So I'm glad they decided to change that. And it also helps now when people decide to share screenshots of their battery health. Oh, my battery health is 90%, and I've only had my phone for 8 months, but you can see they have 600 some cycles on the battery or whatever, and that's why their battery health is degraded and stuff like that. So it's good to see that you can now see whether your health is normal, as well as see the percentage. It's not just a percentage. It kind of gives you insight to whether there's something maybe wrong with the battery at a lower capacity or a lower cycle count. Stuff like that. So it kind of gives you more insight into your phone's battery health. And of course, this is only on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. You only see these two things on not Pro Max, on the iPhone 15s. You only see these two things, but you'll see the battery health and the capacity and stuff like that, like you always have on the older models as well. So that is what is new in iOS 17.4 Beta 4, and what will be coming to iOS 17.4 when it rolls out to the public in terms of battery health on the newer iPhones and stuff like that, how you'll now be able to see all that in one place. I am Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.